Hey everyone, Sean here. I'm going to be reviewing the Anova Vacuum Sealer Pro today. This was a gift from my fiance for Christmas, accompanied with the precision cooker from Anova. I absolutely love cooking. I love experimenting with marinades, so this comes in handy. I've already used it multiple times since receiving the gift this past Christmas. The one thing I like about the Pro is that the bags they store right inside the device, and it's very easy just to pull this out at the whatever length that you're looking to cut it at, and then you see here this flips down, and there's this blade right here that'll cut you a perfect bag, and then once you cut that, you want to go ahead and seal one side, and I'll show you real quick. So we're just going to cut this length here, so you can see here that was a perfect cut. And then what you'll do is you'll place it right on the heat, and then you close it, make sure it locks in place, and then on top of here you'll see like dry, wet, the vacuum seal. So you want to hit the seal button. Once you hit the seal button, you'll see that it lights up, and then what you want to do is just wait, maybe like 15-20 seconds, and then once that light turns off, that's when you know that it's ready that it's already been sealed. So the light just turned off, so we're going to pull this up. We can see right here with the Pro, you'll see like the double seal, so you can kind of see those two marks right there. And then, if we open this up, you can see now that one side is sealed. So then you can go ahead and put in any like dry ingredients, bread, grains, and vacuum seal those using the dry method. One thing that I've been working on tonight, I actually marinated some strip steak to do some carne asada tacos. So I don't know if you can see this. We're actually going to work on now vacuum sealing this. So when we vacuum seal, we want to take, and you see this like indentation here, that's where the end of the other bag has to set in there to vacuum seal it. So what we'll do is once we get that in there, we'll close it, make sure it's in there. And then you'll see like the dry and the moist. So this is a marinade, so I'm going to hit the moist. And then you have this vacuum and seal. That'll just go on like a timer to vacuum it, and then it'll seal it. What we want to do is do this pulse vacuum. That's going to allow me to do it at my own pace, so it just doesn't just automatically just suck up all that liquid into there. I can kind of watch it. With dry ingredients, you can do this. But I do recommend with the marinades that you do the pulse vacuum. So we're going to go and open this up. Get our marinade ready. Put the bag in there. So I want this pretty flat. Makes it easier. So it looks like it's in there. Apologize, just trying to get this where it sits in there nice. So now we're going to go ahead and close it. And we're going to start that pulse vacuum. And I'm just going to go pretty slow with the wet. And it might be hard to see on the camera, but you can kind of start to see that it's starting to seal pretty nicely. Kind of pulse it out. Kind of got a nice seal on it. So once we get that vacuum sealed to our liking, we're going to press the seal button again. And what that's going to do is that's going to seal the other side for you. Again, it takes probably like 15-20 seconds for that seal to do its job. And then again, it creates that double seal on both sides. I probably cut this bag a little bit too long, but tomorrow night I'm going to use that precision cooker to do a sous vide on this and then do a nice sear on it afterwards. So the seal button or the seal light came off. So I'm going to open it up and you can see there my bag is now sealed on both sides. You can see it got a nice air pocket. And yeah, that is the Anova Vacuum Sealer Pro. Thank you.